Hello students, this is Radheshyam Yadav. Today we will see numericals on electricity. Now the first numerical is an electric motor takes 5 ampere from a 220 volt line. That means the current drawn by motor is 5 ampere, voltage is 220 volt. Now determine the power of motor and energy consumed in 2 hours. सो फर्स्ट वी विल गो फॉर द डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ द पावर ऑफ मोटर। मतलब पहले हमको मोटर की पावर को ज्ञात करना होगा, निकालना होगा। सो पावर, वी नो दैट पावर इक्वल्स टू पावर दैट इज P इक्वल्स टू V into I, means once we multiply the voltage with the given current, so we will get the power. So 220 into 5 will give us power, that is 0, 5 2 are 10, 5 2 are 10 plus 1, 11. So we have got 1100 watt power. Now we will convert into kW, that is this will become 1100 upon 1000. So this will become 1.1 kilowatt. So first part of the question answer is power of the motor is 1.1 kilowatt. सो पहले पार्ट का जो मोटर की पावर है, इस क्वेश्चन का उत्तर है 1.1 किलो वाट। अब हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड। सो नाउ एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड, that is E, we know the formula, energy consumed equals E equals to P into time. That means for what time the motor has run, that is power is drawn is 1.1 kilowatt into time is 2 hours. So this will becomes 2.2 kWh, because here H has been multiplied with kW. So this becomes the power in terms of kWh, kilowatt hour. So energy consumed is 2.2 kilowatt. तो अभी हमने क्या देखा, अगर हमको एनर्जी कंज्यूम निकालना है मोटर की, तो हम एनर्जी सप्लाइड, मतलब एनर्जी कंज्यूम का जो फार्मूला होता है E इक्वल्स टू पावर इनटू टाइम फॉर विच इट हैज रन। सो पावर वी हैव गॉट, दैट इज, हमको जो पावर मिली थी 1.1 into 2, so this becomes 2.2 into 2.2 kilowatt hour. So this is the two answers for the question number 1. Now I will solve the question number 2, that is an electric bulb is rated at 220 volt and 100 watt. So bulb rating is 100 watt and 220 volt. When it is operated on 110 volt, find the power consumed. So here we are saying that the voltage is being reduced. Now we have been given in this question the power is 100 watt when voltage is 220 volt. So from this information we will calculate the resistance of the circuit. So we know that P equals to V square by R. So formula for power is, in terms of V and R, is V square upon R. Now R is what? V square by P. This is equals to 220 into 220 upon 100, because the power is 100 watt. So now We will calculate it. 0 0 cancels. 22 into 22. That means 22 into 2 is 44 and 22 into 2 is 44 plus 4 means 48. So we will get 484 ohm. So resistance in this case has comes out to be 484 ohm. Now we will go for the calculation on the power that is consumed when it is connected to 110 volt. Now the voltage has been reduced. So let us see what happens. Now in this case, when V equals to 110 volt, now the formula we know that power is V square by R. The same formula. Now here it is V square means 110. Now voltage has changed from 220 to 110 volt. We will calculate on the basis of given information upon 484. So now we can say 11 1 10 and 11 4 ja 44, again 44, 11 4 ja 44, 11 4 ja 44. So this becomes 100 upon 4. This is 100 upon 10 into 10 is 100 upon 4. Now once we cut it, so we get 25 watt. So you can see that earlier when the voltage was 220 volt, the power drawn was 100 watt. Now the voltage has been reduced to 110 volt. The power drawn is 25 watt. So in this way we can solve the given examples on electricity. Now please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon also. Thank you.